small round hole on the hot and neutral blades of a cord serves the purpose of testing the wire's continuity. It is a safety mechanism designed to help verify that the cord isn't damaged and remains safe for use. This hole provides a convenient access point for an electrician to insert a probe and assess the electrical continuity of the wire within the cord. If the wire is compromised or broken, the probe will be unable to pass completely through the hole, signaling to the electrician that the cord might be unsafe to use. Although the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, does not specifically mandate the presence of this small round hole on the hot and neutral blades of a cord, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, does stipulate that cords undergo continuity testing before they are put into service. The small round hole, therefore, offers a practical and straightforward method for electricians to perform this continuity test. When conducting a continuity test using a hole, an electrician will use a continuity tester or a multimeter set to the continuity setting. The electrician inserts one probe of the tester into the hole on the hot blade and another probe into the corresponding point on the other end of the cord, typically the hot terminal of the plug. If the tester indicates continuity, it means that the wire within the hot blade is intact and that electricity can flow through it. The electrician then repeats this process for the neutral blade, inserting one probe into the hole and the other probe into the corresponding neutral terminal of the plug. Again, if the tester indicates continuity, the neutral wire is intact. If the tester does not indicate continuity on either the hot or neutral blade, it means that there is a break in the wire somewhere along the length of the cord. This could be due to damage, wear, or corrosion. In this case, the cord should not be used and should be replaced or repaired by a qualified electrician. It's important to note that continuity testing is just one aspect of ensuring the safety of electrical cords. A visual inspection of the cord should also be performed to look for any signs of damage, such as cracks, cuts, or exposed wires. If any damage is found, the cord should not be used. Additionally, it's important to use cords that are rated for the appropriate voltage and amperage for the intended application. Using a cord that is not properly rated can lead to overheating and fire. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides detailed requirements for the construction, installation, and use of electrical cords. These requirements are designed to ensure that electrical cords are safe to use and do not pose a hazard to people or property. Electricians and other qualified electrical workers are trained to understand and follow these requirements. The NEC covers various types of cords, including flexible cords and power supply cords. Flexible cords are typically used for connecting portable appliances and equipment to a power source. Power supply cords are used to connect stationary equipment to a power source. The NEC specifies the types of conductors that can be used in cords, the insulation requirements, and the ampacity ratings. It also includes requirements for the strain relief and overcurrent protection of cords. The NEC also addresses the use of extension cords. Extension cords should be used only temporarily and should not be used as a substitute for permanent wiring. When using an extension cord, it's important to choose one that is rated for the appropriate voltage and amperage for the intended application. The cord should also be in good condition and free from damage. Extension cords should not be run through walls, ceilings, or floors, or under rugs or furniture. They should also not be overloaded with too many appliances or equipment. In addition to the NEC, other standards and regulations may apply to electrical cords. For example, Underwriters Laboratories, or ALL, is a non-profit organization that tests and certifies electrical products for safety. UL-listed cords have been tested and found to meet UL safety standards. Many jurisdictions require that electrical cords be UL-listed before they can be sold or used. It is also important to understand the different types of electrical cords available and their specific applications. For instance, some cords are designed for indoor use only, while others are suitable for outdoor use. Outdoor cords are typically more durable and weather-resistant than indoor cords. Additionally, some cords are designed for heavy-duty applications, while others are intended for light-duty use. Heavy-duty cords are typically made with thicker conductors and more robust insulation. When selecting an electrical cord, it is important to consider the following factors. Firstly, the voltage and amperage requirements of the appliance or equipment that will be connected to the cord. Secondly, the length of the cord needed. Thirdly, the environment in which the cord will be used. And fourthly, the duty rating of the cord. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the right electrical cord for the job and ensure that it is used safely. Furthermore, regular maintenance and inspection of electrical cords can help to prevent accidents and injuries. Cords should be inspected regularly for any signs of damage, such as cracks, cuts, or exposed wires. Damaged cords should be replaced or repaired by a qualified electrician. Cords should also be kept clean and free from dirt and debris. Avoid overloading electrical outlets or extension cords. Overloading can cause the wires to overheat and potentially start a fire. Ensure that all electrical cords are properly grounded. Grounding helps to protect against electrical shock. Never use an electrical cord that is frayed or damaged. Frayed or damaged cords can pose a serious electrical shock hazard. Do not run electrical cords under rugs or furniture. This can cause the cords to overheat and potentially start a fire. Avoid using extension cords for extended periods of time. Extension cords are intended for temporary use only. When disconnecting an electrical cord, always pull on the plug, not the cord. Pulling on the cord can damage the wires and potentially cause an electrical shock. Keep electrical cords away from water and moisture. Water and moisture can conduct electricity and pose an electrical shock hazard. Store electrical cords properly when not in use. Coiled or tangled cords can be damaged and pose a safety hazard. By following these safety tips, you can help to prevent electrical accidents and injuries. The small round hole in the blades of an electrical cord is a valuable feature that facilitates continuity testing and promotes electrical safety. While not mandated by OSHA, it aligns with NEC guidelines and reflects a commitment to safe electrical practices. Regular testing and adherence to safety protocols are essential for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the well-being of individuals and property.